My name is Jutta, and today I will teach you smart ways to use the select function in Procreate. The select function is a very powerful and often underestimated tool in Procreate. Have you ever had a situation where duplicating a layer caused unpleasant quality loss? Or where you would have to apply a clipping mask onto a clipping mask? The selection tool is your friend in these cases. Let me show you what I mean with this example. I would like to draw a simple 4-pointed pinwheel. I have created the template for one of the 4 wings. I want to have 4 of those in 4 different colors. If I duplicated this layer, I would lose quality and the edges would turn blurry. The recoloring could also prove problematic, as with both the alpha lock and the select function, the edges won't be recolored properly and we can always see a thin outline in our initial color. Let me show you the solution. Open the Layers panel. I called my template layer bottom shape and made sure it is selected. We tap the layer and then select. You can see everything but our template is filled with diagonal lines, which means only our template will be affected by our next steps. Open the Layers panel once more and add a new layer. Pick a color of your choice and drop it in or draw it in using a brush. If we turn off the original and zoom far in, we see the edge is still crisp and we have no loss in quality at all. We can repeat this step until we have all 4 wings in our favorite colors. And tada! That was done easily with the select function. Alright, let's move on to another problem that often occurs and what I call the clipping mask on clipping mask problem. I want my pinwheel to appear dimensional by adding shading. First of all, I need this folded over triangle shape that doesn't reach over the border of our shape below. So I add another layer and turn it into a clipping mask. I am drawing it a bit brighter in hue because it's on top of the shape and closer to the light source. But when I want to add a little glow now, we run into the problem. I need to add another clipping mask, but if I add the shimmer, it reaches over the border of our triangle. Of course it does, because our mask is clipped to the shape below instead of the triangle. So let's fix that. Turn off the clipping mask of the triangle layer. Now move to the bottom layer and tap Select. Then find the bottom menu and tap Invert. Now everything but the part of the triangle within the bottom shape is selected. Go back to the Layer menu and mark the triangle layer. If we scrub with 3 fingers now, it will delete everything outside of our bottom shape. Now we can turn the glow layer into a clipping mask and our problem is solved. By the way, to avoid this issue in the first place, you could have started by selecting the bottom shape, adding a new layer, and on this new layer, you could have drawn the triangle without reaching over the border of the shape below. However, sometimes due to the course of illustrating, you will run into the clipping mask on clipping mask problem quite often, so it's good to know the erasing trick as well. I hope this helps you in your future illustrations. Let me know in the comments if you've known this trick already and what other questions or problems you want me to make a video about. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, like this one and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!